Welcome back to emergency behavior. Officers at a local airport responded after reports of a man entering a restricted employee area inside the terminal. When contacted by police, the situation quickly escalated as he refused to identify himself and became increasingly confrontational.
What's up? Bro, do not let this guy...
What's your
name? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. What's your name? Oh, so you're going to take it inside.
Yeah, bro.
That's just not going to let anybody touch me. I don't let anybody touch me. All right, soldier. I don't want no trouble. Look,
You're about to get you.
I've been about to get trouble. You want to with me right now? I didn't do anything wrong. This guy with me. So we're going to fight. That's what you want. Is that what you want? I don't. I want to go home. I've been here 2 years. Get on the ground. Are you stupid? I'm a normal.
Put your hand behind your back now.
Nope.
Hand behind your back now.
Nope.
Bravo 20 on 51.
What's going on here? I didn't do anything wrong. I've been here for 10 years.
Put your hand behind your back.
Nope.
And let go of my leg.
I can't because your elbows on.
This arm behind your back now.
How about you lean forward and I can take my arm off my back?
Behind your back.
How about lean forward so I...
This arm behind your back.
How about I do this?
Put your hand behind your back.
110 through here.
Have you lost your mind? You're gonna get another one.
Racist white people, that's what you are. You racist white people, I didn't do it wrong. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing, you...
Put your hand behind your back. Now.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
You're gonna get another one.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Put your hand behind your
I
back.
didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong.
All right, let's roll. Wait, let's roll. Let's roll him over. Hang on, let's roll him over. Let's roll him over a little bit. I got blood.
Is that worse? I didn't do anything wrong. Every one of you is a victim. You murder! You murder!
You got shackles?
Citizens. And you guys still this up. I grew up watching the system.
I'll go grab that wheel check.
Yep.
You can't do that.
You got it?
I grew up that way.
Watch out, he's leading heavily on stand in front of him. Over here.
What, you guys trying to pretend you are okay with me? Is that what you're doing?
Relax, sir. Just calm down. It's over now, all right?
Is it?
It's definitely over, okay?
Yeah, you guys me up, it's over.
Definitely over. Just calm
But I'm
down.
an American citizen. How does that make you feel?
What? Employee was fired.
Step back. Step back. All right, we're going to turn you to your side. You understand? If you act up, though, we're going to have to put you back
Back on
down.
your side.
Bro,
Yeah,
you guys...
I think someone already is. Lieutenant.
No shit.
On the count of 3, I'm going to lift you up on your butt. You understand? Sit on your butt.
Ow!
There you go. Keep your head down like this. Thank you. Okay. On the count of 3, we're going to stand you up and sit you down. If you resist, if you fight, we will put you back down. You understand? Okay, count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ow!
Sit down.
I see you guys every day, and I'm on your side.
What's the blood, bud?
You mother work with you every day, and you guys me up.
Stop fucking around, buddy.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop. Stop feet up. Wait. I'm gonna take my feet up now. Pick them up.
Pick him up.
I will kill you all.
Pick him up now, man. Pick him up now. Let's go. The floor's out of the truck. Any more?
I'm done. Let me go. It doesn't matter. Every one of you is a shut up, man. Yeah, look at how I'm bleeding. Look how I'm bleeding. I can't breathe.
Take a breath. Stop fighting and won't resist, okay?
Oh, what did I do? I see how you are.
Relax. Breathe.
You great.
I got it. He's good. He ain't going anywhere. He ain't.
I'll have more.
The more you resist, the more you're going to hurt yourself. Just relax. Stop.
You killed me. You're trying to kill me.
No one's trying to kill you. They're trying to stop you from hurting yourself and others.
Whoa.
Relax. Hey, relax. Relax, man. Just relax. Take it easy, all right? Just take it easy. Just take it easy.
I'm fine.
Just relax.
Let me go.
All right, just gotta relax.
Okay.
Just be calm and we'll be calm. Okay, I appreciate that.
Sorry, I don't know what. My name is Alfonso. I'm fine.
What's your last name, Alfonso?
I'm looking for my wife. That's it.
I will help you. Okay, but calm down and we'll get you in the car and we'll talk. Okay, Alfonso?
What did I do
I'll
wrong?
explain everything in a minute to you.
Why is the blood? What the f is going on with my? What the? Wait. Is this U.S.?
No.
Is this U.S. citizens?
After several minutes of resistance, threats, and confusion, the man eventually began cooperating and identified himself as Alfonso. He was later charged with resisting arrest, battery, burglary of an occupied structure, and disorderly intoxication following the incident inside the airport.